Top 20 Kitchen Gadgets You Never Knew You Needed. Welcome back to Tech Island. Have you been frustrated with the cluttered drawers filled with gadgets you never seem to use? Say goodbye to the unnecessary and hello to the essentials. Today we are uncovering the hidden gems of culinary innovation. Get ready to meet the top kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed. Until now. Stick around till the end of this video because you sure can't afford to miss out on these cutting-edge gadgets. Apple Corer. Introducing a kitchen tool that's both effortless to use and a time saver. Not only does it prepare your fruits or vegetables for consumption in a flash, but cleaning up afterward is also a breeze. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this Apple Corer is anything but ordinary. It's built to last. But wait, there's more. With its ergonomic handle providing a comfortable and controlled grip, and a twin cutter designed to effortlessly core through your fruits, this tool is a game changer. And when it comes to cleanup, just a quick rinse of the lever is all that's required. Easy as pie. Next up we have pasta strainer. Have you ever encountered a strainer that works without having you hold it under your pot? If not, now you have. This unconventional strainer is uniquely crafted to perfectly fit your pot, eliminating the need to transfer your food into another container. Here's the kicker. This tool is so small that it would take half the space of a conventional sieve or strainer while functioning as efficiently as a bigger one. And yes, it is purely produced from silicone, making it a highly flexible and suitable partner for every one of your pots and bowls. Are you captivated by this strainer but seeking an even more creative option? Then you'll want to see our next product, Monster Strainer. Meet this remarkable monster strainer, a perfect companion to your drain-required food. Whether you want to drain your spaghetti or rinse your broccoli, this strainer has your back. Place this BPA-free monster strainer either on the countertop or in your sink as you wash and rinse your food during meal prep. And when you're finished, cleaning up is a breeze. Just pop it in the dishwasher. Mini waffle maker. Want to upgrade the way you used to waffle your batter with a space-saving gadget? This is your ace in the hole. Meet this mini waffle maker, which will craft your hash browns, biscuit pizzas, or cookies creatively on the go. With its compact 4-inch surface, this waffle maker is perfect for small kitchens. But that's not all. Using it is a breeze. Simply plug it in and it'll heat up in just minutes. And cleaning. Forget about those tough, crusty surfaces. With its non-stick coating, cleaning this waffle maker is as easy as pie. Microwave popcorn popper. Say goodbye to processed and packaged popcorn kernels because this life-saving microwave maestro is here to save the day. Originating from borosilicate glass, this gadget will elevate your popcorn popping experience, and it doesn't even require oil or butter. Just measure out the recommended serving size of kernels in dual function lid, add them to the popper, and place the popper in the microwave for 3 minutes to see the magic. The temperature-safe glass is perfect for watching your popcorn pops for preferred results and preventing the absorption of harmful chemicals during the process. Sounds like a good deal. Check out the next product for the same thoughts. Digital kitchen scale. Baking and cooking have never been this easy with this digital kitchen scale. Equipped with 2 AAA batteries, this gadget is perfect for hassle-free kitchen chores for hours. What's even better? You have the freedom to measure your food in 5 different units: ounce, pound ounce, gram, milliliter, and fluid ounce. This scale is perfect for weighing up to 5 kilograms or 11 pounds with 1 gram precision. Plus, its sleek and compact design sets it apart, making it the ideal choice for small spaces. Dunk and Egg Yolk Separator. Say hello to your new kitchen partner, Dunk and Egg Yolk Separator for perfect split. With its new and unique design, egg yolk separation becomes fun, yet easier. And it doesn't have to be eggs only. You can use it for poached eggs, meringues, portion control, and more. Speaking of cleaning, simply rinse it with warm water or toss it in the dishwasher, whichever is more convenient for you. Plus, it's made from food-grade material and is BPA-free, ensuring safe use in your kitchen. If you're a fan of this egg yolk separator, you're sure to love our next product too. Egg separator. For budding bakers, this egg separator is a fantastic way to ignite their passion for baking. How does it work? It's smooth sailing. Simply crack open the egg, pour it into the chick, and gently tilt the chick so the egg white can flow out of its mouth. Unlike plastic egg separators, this tool is made from ceramic materials for a healthier and cleaner experience. Whether you opt for manual washing or dishwasher cleaning, This tool is built to endure and last in every regard. If you have so far liked watching this video, give it a like and comment down your favorite product up to this point. Herb Keeper. If you have been worried about keeping your herbs green and fresh, fret no more. This Herb Keeper is here to turn the tide. With 3 60-degree circulations, you're safe to say your herbs, including basil, parsley, cilantro, and others, will remain fresh and hydrated for an extended period. For added convenience and protection of your herbs, the baskets with handles make it easy to pull them out and access them. Just fill the water at the bottom of the container, keep it in the refrigerator or shelf, and you're good to go. Electric can opener. With this fully automatic can opener, you will always be on the winning side. With a press of a single button, your can will wide open within minutes. And the best thing is that it operates with 4 AA batteries, so you can rely on it in the long run. Plus, this gadget effortlessly opens up a can, leaving it with smooth edges. This product is not only perfect for elderly people or those with arthritis, but is also generally ideal for everyone. Garlic crusher. Have you been tired of your fingers smelling like garlic all the time? Well, not anymore. Introducing Mini Cute Garlic Mincer with a unique spooky design. Just add your peeled or unpeeled garlic cloves to it, press, and you're good to go. But that's not all. You can even mince ginger, herbs, nuts, and more. Made with long-lasting ABS plastic, this garlic crusher will stay with you longer than your average knife. Oil sprayer. Welcome a new and healthy lifestyle with this oil sprayer economically. This reusable oil sprayer is a twin aerosol sprayer, allowing you to spray oil, vinegar, lime juice, sherry, or more over your salads in a limited way. Just pump the container and press the sprayer valve, and that's it. And it's even environmentally friendly, so you can use it again and again without the need for disposal. Microwave cleaner. This is your ultimate gateway to get an effortlessly cleaned microwave in minutes. Seriously, you need to grab this mini yet effective microwave cleaner and save yourself tons of grind and time. Using it is a breeze. Just add water and vinegar to it, microwave for 7 minutes, and you're all set. Made with heat-resistant materials, this super cute microwave cleaner featuring an angry mama is your best bet on the go. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for effortless maintenance. Premium carbonator. Looking to level up your countertop setup while also enjoying refreshing sparkling water? This is your surefire selection, Premium Carbonator. In addition to enjoying sparkling water, you can also infuse your water with flavors like lime, lemon, or any soda syrup of your choice. Here's the game changer. Unlike conventional soda makers, this carbonator stands out for its performance, environmental impact, and durability. It comes with a sparkling water machine, BPA-free PET water bottle, dry cloth, and drip tray for a full-blown experience. Coffee maker. If you're a coffee enthusiast, you need to bring this game changer down your kitchen. This amazing coffee maker can serve up to 19 cups of coffee at a time. With the capacity to produce up to 38 ounces of coffee concentrate, you can enjoy freshly brewed coffee at your convenience. Plus, you can refrigerate it for up to 2 weeks, ensuring it stays fresh for longer periods. If you love this coffee maker, stick around and watch this next product. Don't forget to tell us in the comments which feature of this coffee maker amazed you the most. Breakfast station. This all-in-one breakfast station is truly made for you if you love to treat yourself to a hearty breakfast. This extraordinary station comprises a cup coffee maker, a griddle for cooking eggs, bacon and pancakes, and a toaster oven with the capacity of 4 breads. Here's the twist. This breakfast station is not only super stylish, but also takes up minimal space on your countertop, allowing you to enjoy hearty breakfasts without sacrificing space. If you have a small family or you live all by yourself, this is the best choice you could make for your morning meals. Cutting board. Chopping down and storing vegetables has become easier than ever with this bamboo cutting board. Cut down your preferred vegetables and keep them in 3 containers provided underneath the board on the go. The board is ingeniously designed with a slit at the end, allowing you to easily roll your chopped vegetables into an airtight container. What's more, this board includes a separate phone and tablet stand, letting you view your device while you work. Electric peeler. At times, peeling fruits and vegetables can be incredibly frustrating, but with this electric peeler, those frustrations are a thing of the past. This innovative gadget goes beyond just peeling. It's a true game changer in your culinary arsenal. By securely holding the fruit in place and rotating smoothly, it effortlessly removes the peel in a matter of seconds. Crafted with a plastic body and removable stainless steel blades, It also comes with a 16-volt adapter for added convenience. How did you like this electric peeler? If you liked or disliked any of its features, let us know in the comments below. Dual breakfast sandwich maker. Say goodbye to your old rusty griddle and bring this new dual breakfast sandwich maker to get your 2 sandwiches done within minutes. Simply place the base of your sandwich in the bottom, the egg in the center layer, and top on the upper layer, and close the lid. With the built-in digital timer, you'll know exactly when your protein-packed sandwich is ready to eat. Comes with a poaching tray, an omelette tray, a 6-egg holder tray, a measuring cup, and a recipe book. The best thing? Cleanup is a breeze. All parts of this sandwich maker are removable and dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless maintenance after every satisfying meal. Rapid egg cooker. Fed up with the same old routine of cooking eggs in conventional pots? Say hello to your new kitchen solution, the Rapid Egg Cooker. With this culinary wizard, you can effortlessly prepare up to 6 eggs to your desired doneness, whether it's soft, medium, or hard-boiled, all while saving both time and water. But boiling eggs is just the beginning. With the push of a button, you can also whip up poached eggs, scrambled eggs, omelettes, and more in mere minutes. And the perks don't stop there. This lightweight and compact device is perfect for small kitchens or for those on the go. That's all for today's video. We really hope this top 20 list of cutting-edge kitchen gadgets made a difference. Please let us know which product you like the most. We'd love to know what our audience thinks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest content we post almost every day.